Wow. Just got a notification, but see if you can hear any of it. Let's take a quick look at the card. The actual functions are done by touchpad, not buttons. So you just touch it, which is quite nice. And they are waterproof as well, so you don't have to keep fiddling and worry about water getting into them, because they're splash proof. They're sort of good for the rain. I've got here a trace on Audacity. That is up to 19 plus kilohertz. So the response up to 20 is genuine, and it's there. The sound quality on these is absolutely amazing. I was blown away. I was actually more than happy with them.